Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you the connection of two-way switches. So basically the two-way switches are used in bathrooms and in staircase. In bathroom, for example, when you go inside the bathroom you can turn on the bulb when you go inside, and when you come out of the toilet you can turn off the same bulb but with another switch. So it's same with the staircase. When you come inside the building and when you are trying to go on the stairs, you will turn on the switch, and when you reach at the floor or at the top of the stairs, you can turn off the same bulb with the another switch. So this is the two-way switch. So let's begin with our video. So guys, as you can see, this is our power cable. Now I'm going to connect it inside our meter. So basically power cable have two wires. One is phase, the other is neutral. Phase is always in red color and neutral is in black color. So let's put it inside of it. Hi. I'm going to open the terminals and put it inside of it. Now it's done properly. Now let's tighten it up. Make sure to wear insulator gloves if it was having electricity, because you can get shock also. Now we are going to put our neutral wire inside of it. So fix the head of it always. And let's tighten it up. Here is it. I've connected our power cable inside the meter. Now we will take two wires, one phase wire and one neutral wire. First of all, I'm going to put our neutral wire inside of our meter. So let's put it in here. I'll put it at it. First, let me open the terminal. This one also. Now let's put it inside of it. Here's it. Let's tighten it. So now we are going to put our phase wire inside the meter. So now we will tighten it. Let's put this in here. Now we will put our meter at its place back. So now we will put our neutral wire inside our MCB fuse. Okay, it will go in this way. So now we are going to put our neutral wire inside our MCB. So let's put it now. Here's it. Now we will take our phase wire and put it inside our MCB. Now we will tighten it, just like the neutral wire. Here is it. So I've connected this. Now we'll give power from our double pole MCB to our single pole MCB. So we will take this phase wire and put it in here. and tight it. And now I'll put it inside the down of our MCB single pole. And tight it. First, I will properly rotate the head of it, that it did not went inside of it. So now let's tighten it. Now it's done properly. So here's it, we have tied it up properly, just like this. Now we are going to take a neutral wire and put it inside our MCB, and we will take it to our drill rail, connect it to our drill rail. So let's put it. So here's it, I put it inside our double pole MCB. Now let's put it inside of our drill rail. You can put it in any place of it. It's not necessary to put it in where I have put it. So now we are going to connect our bulb's neutral wire inside the drill rail as well. Here is it. This is the neutral wire of our bulb. So we have connected our bulb's neutral wire inside the drill rail. So now we are going to do connect the two-way switches. So these are the two-way switches. They have 3 terminals. So now we are going to take our bulb's phase wire and put it inside the common of our two-way switch. Just like this. Now we are going to tighten it. Here is it. We have put it inside the common of our two-way switch. So this wire, we are going to put it at the first terminal of our two-way switch. Let's put it inside of it and tighten it. Here is it. I put it inside of it. Now we will take the other face of this wire and put it inside the first terminal of this two-way switch, another two-way switch, and we are going to tighten it. So here's it, I put it inside it. Now we will take one more wire just like that and put it inside the last terminal of our two-way switch. And wait a minute guys, let me open it. Here's it, I've opened it. Now we're going to put it inside of it. And we will tighten it now. So here's it, I've tied it. So we are going to put this wire inside the last terminal of our this one two-way switch. Here is it. Now we will tighten it. So we have connected all of the wires. Now we are going to take this phase wire and put it inside the common of our this one two-way switch for giving its power. Wait a minute, it's not open. I will open it first. So I have opened it now. Now we're going to put it inside of it. So I have put it inside of it. Now let's tighten it. So here's it. I have connected the face wire inside the common of our two-way switch. Now we are going to give it power from our MCB. So we will put it inside here at the top of our MCB. So if the wire was long and thin, so rotate it around the cover of it and put it inside of it. Now let's tie this. Here is it. We have did the connection of our two-way switch. So we have given it power now. This is the common wire. We have took it to our top of our MCB to give it power. So now let's test it, that it's working or not. Make sure that all of them are off. So here is it. I've connected our power cable. As you can see, power has come in here. Now we will turn on our MCB. I've turned this on as well and this on as well. So let's come it down. So guys, think for example that this two-way switch is at the down of our staircase and this one is at the top of our staircase. When we come inside of our building, so we will turn on the bulb to go and up and see the way of us, that we should not fall down. So let's turn it on. Here is it. Now when we turn it on and reach the up, we cannot come back and turn it off. So this one, we will turn it off from here. See, we have turned it off from the up. So the same way we can turn, if we come back from up to down, we can turn it off from up, and when we reach down, we can turn it off from down also. The same bulb with two switches, we can turn it off and on. So as you can see, it have worked, and this is the connection of two-way switch. So guys, I hope that you like the video, and if you like the video, share it, subscribe it, and don't forget to like and comment if you have any doubts in here. So let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.